Hi, this short video explains how Web UI looks like on all modern branch routers from Cisco, including the ISR 1100 and the 4000 series, as well as the ASR 1000, basically all devices running iOS XE. To access it, I'm using one of the models in the new ISR 1100 series. This router has 8 switch ports, 2 WAN ports, 4G LTE, and also built-in 802.11ac wireless LAN, but also built-in Mobility Express wireless LAN controller, and also PoE and PoE Plus for powering things like those additional access points. Also, there's huge amounts of crypto throughput, and it is trustworthy systems enabled with hardware certificate, secure boot chain, and it also supports encrypted traffic analytics and prevents malware on any device using Cisco Umbrella, so it supports everything but the kitchen sink. Anyway, usually the command line interface is used in the past, but for a long time now, the graphical per network device interface has also been supported, called Web UI. It started off small, but now is quite feature-packed and is very useful. Of course, for full network management for the business, tools like Cisco DNA Center is used, which supports automation, policy and analytics. DNA Center includes routing, switching and wireless, but allows you to go from the high-level business intent, such as policy and rules, and then within minutes to automatically deploy and provide enterprise-wide visibility and take corrective actions to ensure that data flows according to the defined policies, even during WAN brownouts or failures. It will allow you to see the entire deployment and add new sites using zero-touch deployment. There is also a cloud version of DNA Center, so it doesn't need to be installed either. Anyway, Web UI provides simplicity even for a single device, and a user can rapidly monitor and even configure useful features directly from a browser by connecting to the device. When run, it provides a friendly high-level menu on the left side. The interface runs fast. The dashboard shows all of the key things, and this is a customizable view too. The monitoring menu allows me to see a per-port view if desired. The system submenu shows me the hardware features inside the router if I want to go that deep to see firmware versions and so on. The configuration menu allows for exactly that. Many interesting features can be configured here without touching any CLI. It is extremely useful for things like cellular configuration, which I often forget how to do from the command line. Here I can see all the details relating to cellular. Incidentally, as mentioned, there is full Mobility Express for wireless LAN, and that will be demonstrated in a different video. Going back to the dashboard, one thing that is missing is a view of what applications are running through the device. Remember, Web UI is a device-specific view, not for the entire enterprise, but I should be able to view applications per device here for quickly diagnosing problems, for instance. It is really easy to enable. All that needs to be done is to select the interfaces for which you want the visibility, and that's it. It's enabled in seconds. The data will appear on the dashboard in near real time, basically within a minute or so. During that time, I can do some internet browsing, for instance. The application information relies on DPI, or Deep Packet Inspection, which provides layer 7 visibility. SNMP has already appeared, and the web browsing will appear soon in the top applications view too. I'll do a bit more browsing. I have not sped this video up. All of this is happening in real time. The Cisco Deep Packet Inspection technology is called AVC, or Application Visibility and Control. This application visibility view will show it all in details as the traffic appears, and the historical view too. While we're waiting, if I click on Administration in the menu, you can see housekeeping things that are possible with Web UI. File transfers are direct from the browser. Convenient things like the banner are within the administration menu too. DHCP pools can be added here. And right to use licenses are displayed along with their current status. There are lots of things here. I won't go over it all, but in each software release, more and more features are added to Web UI. If you have suggestions, it would be very valuable feedback. Okay, now back to the dashboard, and the top applications view is filling up. You can see here SSL, HTTP and HTTPS. In the monitoring menu and application visibility submenu, the detail is shown such as volume of usage and percentage distribution. Back to administration, software upgrades are also possible directly from the browser. The troubleshooting menu is great. The WAN connection test is simple and easy for anyone to use. I like that graphical diagrams are used in Web UI wherever possible to show information flows and status to see where the fault lies when things don't work. My favourite feature is a packet capture. Again, it's really easy to use. I didn't study any manual to do this. First off, I choose a file name for the capture. I picked the interfaces and VLANs of interest and clicked on Apply. It's as simple as that. Filters could be added if desired. Then click on the Start button to invoke the capture. While the capture is running, I'll do some more internet browsing. Now I can stop the packet capture and shortly a download button will appear. But you can see that the troubleshooting menu has other useful features here too. It's already comprehensive and more troubleshooting workflows will get added over time. Back to the packet capture and the export or download button has appeared. I can download directly to the PC desktop. Just need to log into the router. The capture file can be opened with Wireshark, of course. I will skip this reminder and now search for traffic of interest. Here I can see the web browsing that I did. Another useful troubleshooting feature is a debug bundle. This allows for all desired debug to be captured in a single archive in one go. The show run is already there and I can add anything else that I need. Within seconds, the file is available ready to email to customer support or to analyze yourself. It's in tar.gz format, so all the usual tools can open this, such as 7-zip. The contents are just text files, so they're easy to view. The last thing I wanted to show was that by going back to the dashboard, we can see the CPU and memory utilization information too. There is an advanced view for the detail where each CPU can be examined and control and data plane information can be seen too. IOSXE splits the control and data plane onto separate processes. And that's it. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.